Gracie, can you tell me what you know about addition?
Yes.
Do you know how to add two numbers together?
Yes.
So like 2 plus 2?
Yes.
You do? Okay. So today what we're going to do in my lesson is we are going to add two-digit numbers like 10 or 20 with one-digit numbers. Does that sound okay?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And we're going to find the sum. And the sum is what they equal. Okay, so have you ever seen these before? Yeah? Do you use these in school?
No.
No? You don't use them in school? I thought you did use them in school.
I only use these in school.
You use these in school? Okay. You remember what these ones are called?
Cube.
Cubes. Okay. Have you ever seen one that looks like this before?
No.
No? Okay. Oh, sit in your chair. You don't want to fall. Oh, here. Uh-oh. Okay. Sit on your bottom so we don't fall. Okay. So this is called a long. You look it? And a long represents the tens. And cubes represent one. Thank you. So we have in a long there equals 10. So you want to count with me? Okay, let's look at our long. You ready?
Yeah.
Look at it, Gracie. Hey, Gracie. Okay. Alright, now we'll move these for a second. Okay, so count with me how many there are in it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, good.
Did I say 9 2 times?
No, you said 10. You counted it right. Okay, so 10. And you do the same thing when you have 10 of these. So these all equal 1, right? So if we have, tell me how many cubes you have there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Good job.
Hey, I'm it's going on 6.
Yes, you are. Okay, so if we see these, and we know that these equal 10 each. We know these equal 10 each. Let's practice counting by 10s. Have you counted by 10s before? You haven't? Okay, I'll show you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Hey, Gracie. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So count how many of the longs we have with me. You want to count with me? Use your fingers. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so count by 10s with me. Let's do it together. 10,
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
90, 100. So you do know how to count by 10s. Very good, Grace. Okay. Now let's see if we can practice adding these together. You want to do that with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so we know that this equals 10, right?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So if I give you 2 of these, what does that equal?
2.
2, what do we call these? 2 longs?
2 longs.
Okay, so we have 20. And if I give you 20, there, we'll start with 10. That might make it easier. Okay, so let's count together how many I have right here. You gonna do that with me?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? So we know we have 10. What comes after 10?
11, 12, 13, 14.
So that means we have 10 plus 4, and we counted, how many does that equal? You just counted it. 14, right?
14.
Okay. All right. So if we have 2 of these, and we have, let's see how many that equals out to. Let's count this together. You want to do it? You ready? So that means I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and what?
27.
27. Good job. Give me a high five. Good job. All right, we're almost done, okay? Alrighty. So let's say, so we know, Gracie, can you write this on here for me? We know we got 22 longs, okay?
Okay.
Plus how many cubes? Just
7.
7. So can you write 27 for me?
So a 7 and a 1.
No, it starts with a 2 because we have 2 in our tens place. So write a 2 right there for 20. What number did we just count up to? We made 27, right?
Yeah.
So 2.
And a 7.
Good job. See, you got this. Okay. So now that we don't, you think you got this part where we add our longs and our cubes together?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's do something even more fun. Okay, are you paying attention? When we roll these dice, we're going to roll one of them, and we'll get our first number, okay? And we'll write it on here, and then we'll get another one, and we'll add it together, okay? So go ahead and roll my first cube for me. Okay, what did it land on?
A 1.
A 1. Okay, so we know that in one of these, it equals how many?
10.
10. Okay, so you want to write the number 10 for me? Okay.
Wait.
Good job. Okay, now roll our second cube and see what our second number is going to be. What do you, 3? Okay, write 3 for me. Okay. You want to use our cubes? Hey. Okay, so 10. And we need how many cubes?
3.
3. Good job. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Good.
11, 12, 13.
Awesome. So write 13 on there for me.
So we start with it.
It starts with 13. Okay, so our number right here is 1. So write a 1.
And a 3.
Good job. You want to do another one?
Can I write it?
Of course you can write it. I want you to write it. Okay. All right. You want to roll this one? You can keep that one there since you did such a good job. Okay. So we'll do one more. You want to do it together? Is that one tricky?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's count how many are on there. We got 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5. So what number do you think that equals? It doesn't equal 5, but it equals 10, 20. Do it with me. 10, 20, 30, 40,
50. 50.
50. So you wrote your 5, and what do you need to put after it to make 50? You want to add a 0 right there to make 50? Because right now it's just 5. Because we know that we're adding numbers with 2 digits right here, right?
Yes.
Good. 50 plus, okay, now let's roll our next one. So what is that?
A 1.
A 1, okay, so write a 1 there. So if we have, let's start from 50. 50, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 long, so 50 plus 1. What do you think that equals?
1, 2, 3.
We can do it a faster way. Look. We can count by tens, remember? 10,
20, 30, 40, 50,
plus, how many cubes?
1.
So what does that equal?
70.
No, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
60.
No, 51.
51, okay.
So it starts, you remember which one it starts with?
What?
Starts with a 5. It's for 50. Starts with 5. And then you'll put your 1.
Yeah.
Good job, Grace. Okay, give me a high five.